Thank you, Mr. Chief. Mga kabayan, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw tayong adlaw kaninyang tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I would like to thank the Rotary Club of Golden Friendship for your invitation for me to join you on your 4th induction ceremony. I am truly happy for the opportunity to visit Cagayan de Oro again. My warmest greetings to the officers, members, and partners of the Rotary Club of Golden Friendship on your 4th induction and handover ceremony. A special greeting as well to the leaders representing the 15 Rotary clubs across Cagayan de Oro gathered here tonight. As a young club, celebrating 4 years of service, you have proven that meaningful impact is not measured by time, but by tangible difference you make in people's lives. Your quiet consistency in uplifting communities reflect the spirit of service above self. To the outgoing leaders, thank you for your stewardship and dedication. Passing the mantle is a testament to strong organizational governance, ensuring that the mission continues seamlessly, uninterrupted. Congratulations to the incoming officers. Leadership is a sacred trust. It calls for integrity, accountability, and a heart ready to serve without expectations of anything in return. Lead with courage and purpose. Extend your club's reach to the most vulnerable communities and geographically isolated areas across Cagayan de Oro City. But service to our communities does not end with charitable work. It also calls us to be responsible citizens and guardians of our democracy. In these challenging times, we must remain attentive to pressing national issues that affect the future of our communities and the future of our people. The crafting of the 2027 national budget, including proposals to change our constitution, calls or attempts to alter the electoral process, and any effort that may undermine the people's right to choose their leaders through genuine elections. As citizens, we have the duty to be informed, to ask difficult questions, to participate peacefully and responsibly in public discourse, and defend the integrity of our democratic institutions. We must stand firm against corruption, budget insertions, log rolling, politically motivated spending, and every form of electoral manipulation, regardless of who benefits from it and which political side commits it. Every peso lost to corruption is a child deprived of his right to a better future. Every peso illegally taken is the denial of every citizen to their right to peace and progress. When elections are postponed, weakened, or removed, citizens lost not merely a day, on the calendar, but a fundamental mechanism for holding leaders accountable. If the rules of our Constitution are changed, citizens must have the opportunity to understand, scrutinize, and freely express their views on these changes. And when elections are held, every vote must be protected and every result must reflect the genuine will of the people. This, too, is service above self. Having the courage to serve not only our communities, but also the principles that sustain them: democracy, accountability, transparency, the rule of law, and the dignity of every citizen. May the Rotary Club of Golden Friendship continue to be a force for good, not only in building better communities, but also in inspiring responsible, engaged, and principled citizens. Congratulations, and may you continue to live the Rotary ideal, service above self. Mga kababayan, ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.
Now we now have a crowd shot, requesting everybody to please remain standing